So for example 4, that will be 2p squared minus 33p plus 16 is equals to 0. So now if you look at this example 4, you see we have been using x, all this y. But right now we are using p, so it's still the same thing. It could be any alphabet, so don't let that to confuse you. So now let's multiply like this. So 2p squared multiplied by 16, that will give us 32p squared. So now what are the two values that we think you can use? So before I suggest, let me kindly suggest, what do you think we can use here that will give us, that once we multiply it, two values, we've multiplied it to give us 32p squared, and by the time we add it, to give us minus 33p. Have you gotten it? Okay, so the two values that we are going to, that will give us that is minus p and minus 32p. So let's look at it. Minus p multiplied by minus 32p, that will give us 32p squared. Don't forget, minus times minus will become plus, so we'll be having more like plus 32p squared. So if you are to look at it also, minus p plus minus 32p. So minus times minus is minus, so that's minus p and minus 32p. That will give us minus 33p. So now that we've gotten the value, let's replace it with minus 33p. So our equation will now be written as 2p squared minus p minus 32p plus 16 equals to 0. So let's bracket it in 2. So now let's look at the first, for the first one, let's look at, for the first bracket, let's see what's common here is just p. So 2p squared divided by p, we'll be left with 2p minus p divided by p, so we'll be left with 1 minus 1. Close the bracket. Let's go to the second part. So let's see what's common here. If you look at it very well, what is common is minus 16. So minus 32p divided by minus 16 will be left with 2p. So 16 divided by minus 16, that is minus 1. So you can see again that what we have in the bracket, we are both having 2p minus 1 and 2p minus 1. So that's to give us an idea that we are still correct. So now let's bring out what's outside the bracket. Let's bring it together. So we have p minus 16, and then we are going to having 2p minus 1, so equals to 0. So now let's equate what is inside the bracket. Let's equate it to 0. So we have p minus 16 is equals to 0. Then we have 2p minus 1 is equals to 0. So if we make p the subject of the formula, to make p the subject of the formula, we are going to bring 16 to the other side of the equation. Minus 16 to the other side of the equation. So that will give us p is equals to 16. So for this one also, we are going to make p the subject of the formula. Here we are going to have 2p. This minus 1 will bring it to the other side of the equation. We'll be left with, that will be equals to 1. So we divide both sides here by 2 to make p stand alone. So that will be having 2p over 2 is equals to 1 over 2. So these two can cancel 2. So p is equals to 1 over 2. So the value of our p for this equation is 16 and 1 over 2. So that here is the solution to question number 4. So here question number example 5, which is 8m squared minus 15m minus 2 equals to 0. So I want you to solve that and then let me know what your answer is in the comment section below. So if you have been following this, I believe you'll be able to solve it. So do solve it and let me know what you get in the comment section below. And I'll see you in the next parts of this video. Thank you. So if you are yet to subscribe, kindly click on the subscribe button. In the next part, we are going to be looking at another method of solving quadratic equation.